Now, ain't this just, yeah, beautiful. I don't have any other word for it. Take a look at the color of this river. Now, this right here is River Neretva, and we are just a little bit outside of the city of Mostar. And yeah, today I just want to make a quick vlog style video for you, just to yeah tell you a little bit about how everything started for me with my YouTube journey, with everything I did on YouTube. And yeah, I just want to share my experience for making over 300 YouTube videos. Sorry about the wind, we are outside, it is what it is. I just want to share my experience from making over 300 YouTube videos with you. I want to share how everything started, and I hope you will find some value in it. Now, let me just sit down and set everything up here on a table, and we will get right into the video. Right. I just wanted to set everything up so we can have this beautiful view of River Neretva behind me. If you have never been to Neretva or to city of Mostar in Bosnia, you just have to come. At the moment, the temperature of this water is just 10 degrees Celsius, and I was in this water just like 30 minutes ago, and trust me, my body is still cold, my legs are still cold, and it's 40 degrees Celsius outside. So yeah, you probably know what that means. It's pretty cold river, but it's very refreshing, and it's actually very beautiful to see. So if you have never been, please come to Bosnia, come to River Neretva and see it. But to the topic of this video today, I just wanted to share how everything started for me, and I wanted to share this mindset that I had when starting my YouTube channel, and why it's important to just start your YouTube channel, to not over drag it for no reason. Just yeah, press that record button and put those videos out there. For me, I was having this thought of starting a YouTube channel for a long time, and for 1 year and 6 months I just was like, I'm gonna start it tomorrow, I'm gonna start it next week, yeah, maybe I'm gonna start it next month, and so on and so on. And it wasn't until I just was in a pinch of financial situation, and I was like, okay, if I continue doing what I'm doing, of not starting anything, not doing anything on the side, like, I'm gonna put my family in jeopardy, in a risk. And it's like I just have to find some way of making some additional money. And YouTube, I was like exploring it. I was like looking at the videos of other creators earning money on YouTube, and it was like, you know, you find these videos, how much YouTube paid me in a year, how much YouTube paid me in a month, or how much money have I earned from 1 million views on one video. I actually have that type of video on my channel right now. I have one video that has 1.2 million views, and just in this video I share the statistics behind it, how much money it really got. YouTube was like, it made sense to make a channel on YouTube, because it's like whatever video that I have found, it's like I would find 98 videos of everybody talking about it being a successful opportunity, being a successful move for them. And then maybe I would find like 2 videos of, you know, people not succeeding on YouTube, people failing on YouTube and so on. And I was like, when comparing those odds, it's like, it's no brainer. YouTube is a game that it's like successful if you put in the work, if you educate yourself and so on. So after year and 6 months of just being lazy and procrastinating with my YouTube channel, I finally decided to start it, and I had no idea what I'm gonna be talking about on my channel. And I was like, I'm just gonna film videos to whatever comes to my mind. I know I want to do this YouTube gig. I'm not sure what I want to do it about it. I had no niche. I actually had no idea what the flick the niche is at the moment. And I was like, okay, I'm good with my hands. I like to fix stuff. Whatever gets broken in my house or on garage or everywhere, I'm like, I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm like handyman, I'm gonna try to fix it first. You know how it is, guys. like you try to fix it and you break it even more. But yeah, that's not the point of this story. And it's like over time, I have seen that I am fixing stuff all the time, you know. And then I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna film these processes of fixing stuff, and I will throw this video out there on YouTube, and we will see how they perform. And then I started filming things first. First of all, do not overcomplicate how you film your first videos. What I did on my Rookie Handyman channel, this was actually very smart, even though I didn't know it was very smart at the moment. I would just take my phone and I would film the process of whatever it is, of fixing something, of connecting LEDs, of inserting lead into a mechanical pencil. Made videos about mechanical pencil because it's like I'm just gonna film whatever comes to my mind. And for the first 6 months of me on YouTube, I would just like film the process of it, of making that whatever it is that I was repairing or showing some tip and trick, whatever it was. I would film the process, and then after 6 months, I was like, okay, maybe I can put my face into my videos a little bit. Maybe I can just like put an intro of me, and then I would like turn the camera to me and, hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. It was called How To channel back then. My name is Irfan, and in today's videos, I'm gonna show you how to connect these LED strips. And then again, I would switch back to the process at hand, and then it took me like 3 to 4 months of doing this, where I was just like filming this way, and then later, maybe after a year, I was comfortable enough to film my face, to film the whole process with my face in a video. And it's just a process. It's a process of you getting used to filming, the process of filming everything, the process of filming your projects, the process of filming yourself. It's like you are getting comfortable with every step of that journey. And what I want to share right here is that 1 year and 6 months that I was procrastinating and just not doing anything, that was such a wasted time that I could use to learn, to film, to post videos, to learn from posting those videos, to learn from comments on those videos. I just wish I didn't procrastinate that much, and I just wish someone had just slapped me right across my face and just told me, just record, brother, just upload it, brother, and you have nothing to lose. And so my message in this video for you is I'm sharing my experience of how I started everything so that you don't have this same problem when making your videos and starting your channel. If camera is shaky a little bit, and if the wind, if sound is not good, I apologize for that, because we are outside and it is what it is. And I just want to share that with you, because starting on YouTube, starting a YouTube channel was basically the best thing that happened to me in my life. Because yeah, of course, you have wife, kids, and everything else, you know, the normal stuff that are the best thing that happened to you. But in the business terms, starting a YouTube channel was the best thing that happened to me, because it developed me in a ways that I could have never imagined. Like, it pushed me to learn, it pushed me to create, it pushed me to expand my knowledge, to not be uncomfortable in certain situations. It actually pushed me to develop my personality to the point where I was like a shy guy who was just sitting in the back of a room and letting everybody else talk, to now where I'm not afraid of a spotlight. I'm not afraid of going out on a stage and talking in front of the people if I have to. I'm not afraid of those things anymore, because this is what YouTube does to you. This is what making videos does to you. It's like it pushes you out of your comfort zone, and it just develops this kind of personality that you know you have deep inside of you, but you just don't know how to reach it. And when you make videos, when you film yourself, when you become more and more comfortable in your videos, like I am today in this video, it's just like vlog style. Like, and I always wonder who the heck is gonna watch this video of me, but I know that somewhere out there, there's a guy or a girl who's just starting on YouTube, they are not sure if this is for them, and they are not sure if they are going to have any benefit from making these videos and from uploading videos on YouTube. But I'm here to tell you that 5 years ago, when I started this YouTube journey, I was like a completely different person. And aside money, aside uh, videos that I have made, aside all the comments that I got on my channels, when you put everything on the side, it's like the biggest benefit that you have from making that YouTube channel and from making those videos is the personality that you develop, the grind, the grit, the courage that you develop, and the fact that you change your personality completely from what I was 5 years ago to what I am now. It's like two completely different guys, and I would not change it for a world. This is basically my experience, and my one advice that I can give to you is, if you have not already started making videos, just start making videos, just put it out there. Nobody cares anyway. Nobody's gonna watch your first videos, maybe a few views here and there, but because nobody cares, it's like very liberating. And even today, when making this video, I'm like not sure if anybody's gonna watch it, and that makes it liberating to me to make this video, to just talk about it, what lays on my heart, what I want to talk about it. And if I can help just one person who watches this video, if I can help just one person to press that record button, to put their videos out there, I have done my job. That made me just happy. And that is what I wanted to share with you. And if you want to have a little bit more guidance, a little bit more community around YouTube, I highly recommend checking out our YouTube Hobby Academy. There's a link down. Almost fell down. Oh my god, this wind is crazy today. I have to, yeah, just hold it like this. Sorry about that. What I wanted to say, if you just want to have a community of like-minded people who just like to communicate with each other, share experience, share knowledge, just check out YouTube Hobby Academy. It's a link down in the description. And if you already have a YouTube channel, if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, what I do for every member, I just give you a quick audit of your channel. We hop on a quick one-on-one call where we just discuss everything that you want to discuss about around YouTube. Whatever questions you have, I will just help you to answer them and to guide you in the right direction when starting this YouTube journey, so you don't start it all alone. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you, check out the link in the description and join our YouTube Hobby Academy. So I will leave you with this beautiful view of the river Neretva. As you can see, the water is so crystal clear, and yeah, I just love taking a quick swim in this water. And it's actually a very quick swim because you cannot last more than 1 minute in this water because it's 10 degrees Celsius. It's like ice cold bath, like on another level. Thank you guys for watching this videos and this video. Again, my English, not my first language. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.